His record stands at 61 wins, 7 losses, 2 draws, with 39 wins coming by way of knockout. Here is the icon of the sport and future Hall of Famer. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome boxing's legendary and only 8-division champion of the world, introducing the one and only Manny Pacman Pacquiao!
Maraming mga Pinoy boxing fans ang matutuwa sa gagawin nitong si Manny Pacquiao dahil sa dadayuhin nito ang bansa nitong mga Hapon para sa gayon ay gawin ang exhibition match kontra dito sa isa sa mga pambatong manlalaban ng bansang Japan na si Rukiya Anpo. Sa mga idol natin dyan na hindi pa nakakakilala kay Rukiya Anpo ay isa po itong kickboxer mga idol. At kumamada ito sa kanyang kinahumalingang palakasan na 28 panalo, may 8 talo, 1 tabla at mayroong 14 na nanakaw dito sa kanyang 28 na ipanalong mga laban. Si Anpo ay isa pong agresibo na fighter mga idol na mahilig mag-deliver ng pressure sa kalaban. At gamit-gamit ang kanyang pambihirang lakas kung sumuntok mga idol ay gusto nitong duminahin sa laban ng ating kababayan. Bagamat wala pang masyadong karanasan sa boxing ay lakas loob sinambit ng Hapon na ito na kaya di umano niyang tumagal sa laban at makipagsabayan dito sa ating kababayan. Ngayon ang laban na ito ay mahalaga para kay Manny Pacquiao dahil sa dito na po kasi masusubukan ng kanyang sarili mga idol. Kung may kakayanan pa nga ba siya para makabalik sa mundo ng professional boxing. Ang laban na ito ang makakapagpasya sa kampo nitong si Manny Pacquiao kung dapat pa nga bang lumaban itong si Pacquiao sa mga bigating kampiyon ng welterweight division na kung saan ay kanila pong napipisil na makakalaban rito ay ang kampiyon at hinirang na WBC welterweight world champion na si Mario Barrios. Nakatala na agad ang mga magiging laban nitong si Manny Pacquiao mga idol. Bagamat wala pang kasiguruduhan ng mga ito, ay buong-buo ang determinasyon ng ating kababayan na mapatunayan muli ang kanyang sarili sa ibabaw ng lona. Ito ang dahilan kung bakit sa magiging laban ni Pacquiao sa Sabado ay sigurado po na mapait na laban ang sasapitin ng Hapon na ito, na kung saan ay sigurado mga idol na hindi na po talaga magpipigil sa laban itong ating kababayan. Para sa gayon ay maipakita sa milyong-milyong mga Hapon kung bakit sa hinirang noon bilang hari ng Asya sa palakasan na kung tawagin ay ang boxing. Sa huling naging laban itong si Manny Pacquiao kontra sa martial art instructor na si DKU ay mahalata na nagpipigil itong si Pacquiao sa laban, na kung saan ay nabitin pa nga po itong ating kababayan sa paggulpi sa Koreanong kalaban. Kaya naman ay ito pong ihahain ko na laban sa inyo, ang labanang DKU at Manny Pacquiao.
Colors, DKU wearing the red with white trim. Antonio Pereira, Eric Morales, Oscar De La Hoya.
Truly a murderer's row.
Defeated Juan Manuel Marquez, had won the fight of all time against Floyd Money Mayweather. Defeated 8th-division world champion Manny goes right after DKU. DK with a straight left. Manny smiles at him.
Now, he has a tremendous advantage, regardless of the size advantage from DKU.
Manny attacks the body of DKU and high knees. Let's engage in this. Number 2, this one is scheduled for 6. Left and, DKU, he threw a couple of jabs and he said that he thinks that
it's a little difficult to get inside against a fighter that's so much taller.
Since August of last year, his popularity is the same, if not has increased, as he is absolutely beloved. 44 on December 17th. There was a straight left that missed. Good movement by DKU. There he goes. Manny has second ring. You know how he's feeling. He probably understood that he's going to come in heavier because of the fact that DKU was going to win.
He's not the same person. You never know.
Yeah, and I think Manny can really, he knows he can explode in. I think he's kind of just taking his time with it because he knows eventually he's going to get close to DK no matter what.
He's not looking to unload that. Take a look at some of the action here from
Right here we see Manny just missing that overhand left.
we enter into the 3rd round.
He's a well-respected fighter.
But for DKU, what a learning experience this is for him to be able to have the biggest moment of his career. There's a left there by you. He threw some inside the ring. I think DK may have him beat.
Right, who knows?
But let's not forget, it is still prize fighting. And they both are trying to inflict some damage. Well, happy holidays to all of you and your families. The return of the great Pacquiao against DKU. Couple of lefts, hammering away upon DKU and
Hitting fast to the head, like it's crazy.
Good right hook up top by Manny.
off the face, as you pointed out, Sanisa. Couple of lefts there.
We're trying to keep our composure.
Yeah.
We're broadcasting right now. And he looks very tired. And of course, here we have the replay here. Manny getting caught with the left there coming in, but Manny returns it by digging to the body and pushing DK back.
Bang.
Wow.
Was that right hook that dropped Thurman and many others? The last one is fight scheduled for 6. Manny Pacquiao, DKU. I think it's clear that if Manny wants
Rounds go on. DK's getting more and more winded. And
that right hook upstairs by Manny Pacquiao, and you really wonder if Manny ended in grand fashion. Manny looking to swarm. One.
you can train for any other sport. You could train for martial arts as well and think that you're in great condition, but with this, you have to go by the boxing rules.
Oh, there's a right hook.
Rules and boxing technique and having to stick to that.
Look at that. Manny Pacquiao coming in and living.
Being in shape is a whole different thing.
Manny and DKU goes down, and they really need to try to prolongate some time. And down goes DKU. This one is. Did he get up? I'm trying to see.
He called it off, and DK wanted to keep going.
Away
So
upon DKU.
right here we see Manny exploding in and digging him to the DK. Just can't take those Pacquiao body punches.
The ferocity of a lion.
The question is when. I think it's if Manny Pacquiao wants to go
When
ahead
he
and finish off
wants to, yeah.
DKU. There are certainly levels to this, and even Manny Pacquiao at 43 years of age.
And everything.
Yeah, DKU is breathing. You was moments away from being stopped. But Alexa come out and he gets hammered with that left. Okay, this is the most lively we've seen DKU. We'll see if that martial arts and the fans certainly makes
Circles, that is hilarious.
DK's got to do something, and he's getting it. There's a right hook, all by a straight left. It's moment possibly being stopped. Manny Pacquiao hammered away upon DKU. And he wants to That'll extend round number 5. And now Manny Pacquiao going right after DKU. DKU can barely stop.
He wants the ref out of the way.
There's a right followed by a left from Manny Pacquiao. And now they're wrestling 4th, stayed down, and just wants to go the distance.
Speaking of the clock, what? Oh, there it is.
Got memories, man. I'm watching his fights going up. It's crazy.
Here's some of the action from the 5th.
He did the alley stuff.
DK trying very hard to stay in the fight, but Manny is too much.
This is why he's a globally renowned.
Well, I think the question is, will down by the great Manny Pacquiao. Blue Boy Fernandez talking with Manny Pacquiao. Killed 4 seconds. I think DKU is trying to find a way to survive. Will Manny Pacquiao allow him to do so? Now they are wrestling Jonathan Gale. DKU.
Doing anything
He wants to make him quit. He wants to get him to stop.
Now he's back to the game and a couple of lefts. Manny driving and Can DKU survive? Time has been called. Now DK trying to give one last push. Oh, big right hook upstairs by Manny Pacquiao. Pacquiao showing his technical ability and glimpses at